Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Sound check, mic check, vibe check, all sorts of checks. How are you? How's everybody doing? Good morning, good morning, good morning. New version of BFF Dots. Not a new version, just an update that's really, really great for UI. All the labels are on now. All the emoji triggers are on. It's going to be a lot easier to see everything you need to do. I haven't updated the F4. It's just still F14. Just download it and re-upload it today. Everybody who's listening, go for it. We actually might have a trade coming up here. I might have, POC buy here. 32 seconds left. You see how it's telling you it's a target. It's telling you that's a go. So X now is a no trade. A target emoji is a go. I have a POC buy over here. We will trade it. Let me go to maybe 63 account. Obviously, if it holds. 12 seconds left. Let's go see if this will hold on the 63 account. Doesn't look like it. Came off. See? Comes back to the X. Comes back to the X. All right. Still waiting to see if we can get a turn on the NAS. NAS was up. NAS is down. It's kind of a quiet trade. Everybody's still trying to figure out how long and how bad the geopolitical risk is. Good morning, everybody. Yeah, same number, just delete it, delete it, reapply it, and you're going to see it. Basically, it's the same thing as before, but what I did is I put the little emojis on here, so it makes it a lot easier to see it. And actually, if you guys want, I can make it. Oh, the other thing I did is I put all the defaults of the way that I have it. So literally, if you just download it and upload it, you'll have my layout. You don't have to think about anything. It's just literally my layout. The only thing I would do is I'm just going to make it large normal, so you guys can actually see this a little bit better as far as the labels go. Right? Good morning, Rodney. Good morning, everybody. So this is going to make it super easy for you guys to trade. We are London session lows, near London session lows, which is a great time for my reversal trades, assuming I get triggers. If I don't get triggers, that means there's no reversals, which is fine. Hope everybody had a good night. We had a nice session in gold yesterday, trading a lot of that, the reversal flow and continuation flow. I am going to do a couple of things for you today. We're gonna go buy some Apex accounts because they're cheap, and I'm actually going to trade the evals in a momentum mode. Basically, want to show you how to trade momentum, and two, because it's evals and I can, I don't give a shit, because you guys know I'm a terrible momentum trader. I just don't have the personality for it. But if we're gonna do this, we're gonna do it in evals. We'll trade the evals on a momentum basis and counter basis. I'm gonna get 2 accounts right now. As soon as, let's see if this trade sets up for us. Give it another minute or two, and then we're gonna go into Apex and buy them dirt cheap. We're gonna buy just the. All right, coming up. You see how, look at that. See, it turns the little emoji up, right? Everybody sees this little thing. I mean, I hope you guys like it. I really like this. What the fuck is it? Oh, now it just turned down. There we go. Oh, hold on. There we go. Wow, what's going on here? Oh, it's just going up and down, up and down. It's teasing me. I can't get the. There we go. See that? That's the go button, and the X obviously is the no-go button. So that makes it super easy for you to know, hey, do I want to take this trade? Do I not want to take this trade? 5 seconds, 4 seconds, waiting for the, nope, totally pulls away. Market is very, very shy, very little buying power, and so on and so forth. All right, you know what? We're kind of putzing around. No trade setups for us. Let's go to Apex. Let me show you how you buy the new Apexes. I'm going to go on my own account. We're going to trade my own account. You need an authenticator. Let me just do my authentication. Just one sec. Zero 78817 078-817. Confirm. Okay, let's go buy some. I'm going to buy a couple of Tradeovates. Up top, on the bottom, and BK Save. Make sure you use BK Save. That will give you the biggest discount. All right, see, oh, which one did I want? Oh, end of day. I don't want that. Fuck that. Watch this. I don't want that. I want intraday. I want the biggest risk because we don't care. We're going to trade intraday because we're not going to hit intraday. But that's just me. You guys can do end of day because that's cheaper. It's just cheaper. Obviously, if you trade the way I do, intraday does not really bother you. Okay, next. Yeah, see, it's $10 cheaper. I'm like, why am I gonna bother with end of day? But if you're position, oops, sorry. I gotta take this off my thing. Sorry, guys. I do this all the time, and I always get your credit card has been charged in Sri Lanka. Okay, cool. So we bought one, right? And I'm gonna go buy another one, and I'm gonna do intraday again. So we'll trade one on a momentum basis and the other one on a counter trend basis, just to give you guys a little bit more of a vibe. BK save, don't forget BK save. I forget my own code here. BK save. All right, back off screen so you guys don't see my credit card number. Looks like the site is nice and crisp, working really, really fast. Okay, so we got these. It'll take a few minutes for us to set up. By the time New York opens up, we might get a signal. 5 seconds left. Let's see. Is it going to hold? Nope. Not holding. Okay, perfect. So we'll get a few evals over here in addition to all my fundeds, and we'll trade the evals. I was only kidding. Kaveen says, I'm from Sri Lanka. I was kidding. It wasn't, nobody from Sri Lanka is stealing my credit cards. It was just a throwaway joke. Don't take offense, my friend. Authenticator may be a pain in the ass, but it's actually super, super good. It's like, I guarantee you their fraud went down by like 90% off the authenticator. So, I don't have it's like the TSA line in the airport. I never minded because the security is worth the hassle. So, okay, we're hanging at the lows, trying to find a desperate reversal trade, which so far not happening. So we'll see. We'll see what a play is. Oh, hang on just one sec, guys. Just bear with me a sec. I'm gonna come off camera and I'll come right back. I'll be right back. And I'm back. Sorry about that. Just had to fix something on my other computer. All right, nice and quiet. Haven't even looked at, sort of like, I wish I had like a overnight, DOD tally. How much of Iran have we blown up just yet? Because like I haven't seen what the latest news is over there, so it's kind of hard to judge. Judge, how far we're advancing in the campaign. I did hear that, one of the, okay, we got to trade, buy in the trade. This gave us, see that? Gave us a trade. Let's see if we can hit it. We're done. Beautiful. Nice. This is my bread and butter classic reversal scalp. Makes it very, very easy with the indicator because the moment you get the little target, you can just do it. To explain to everybody what we do here, those of you who are new to the room, just probably tuning in, may have never seen the show, I'm going to give you this link. I want you to bookmark it, not just fucking click it, but bookmark it, because this is literally our whole playbook, and every analytical tool that we use, it's updates all the time. And it hasn't really been fully updated for this new process because I've been too busy, but I'm going to update it. And somebody had asked for video, for visual explanations. I'm actually going to make video explanations of every setup. It's going to be really, really cool. I realized we can do TradingView replay. We're going to capture those videos, and then I'm going to narrate them and show you exactly the anatomy of every single trade setup. And especially now with the indicator really, really clean and visible, it'll be super, super easy to understand. So there's like 6 or 7 setups within this indicator. It's like the Swiss Army knife of indicators. And I'm going to visualize every one of them. We're going to embed those videos into this DOTS landing page so you guys can have it essentially as a reference source and enjoy it. So bookmark this. If you've never traded with us, you'll understand why so many people love to trade and scalp with me, because we are in the business of essentially, I'm in the wrong business. Everybody else is in the business of trading momentum. I trade reversals. But regardless of whether you trade reversals or momentum, we're in the scalp business. We are in the business of making small, very, very accurate intraday trades multiple times a day, which creates a very even, very clean equity curve, and produces, takes us to target basically in terms of where we go. Yeah, videos sound good, right, Otter? How can you get the indicator? Okay, so the indicator is available only for people who want to coach with me. Let me give you the coaching link. The coaching link is right here. And that's also going to be, that page is also going to be updated. And what I want to tell you is that we actually have coaching. Coaching is every Thursday night at 7. So if you sign up today, you'll go right into coaching with me at 7 o'clock. You get a full explanation of what's going on. And because Apex is now so cheap, I'm actually giving you between 4 and depending on which one you want, between 3 and 4 $50,000 accounts or $25,000 accounts of Apex totally free. So I will literally give you the opportunity to buy those accounts for free if you join my coaching. It's really, really, really good deal. I got to put the whole new deal on the website. I've just been super busy working on all the strategies. But that's going to be, we're going to kick that off as a new coaching product that everybody's going to love. And I love the fact, by the way, that Apex now is a single purchase buy. So like when we're buying it for you, it's really great. You don't have to worry about it. It's, you can use it, and there's no rebuilding or anything else that will occur. So it's really, really cool. Anyways, that's how you get the indicator, my friend. Hey, astrologer, are you in the room today? Yesterday, we had a good time trading Asia with astrologer, and he had pointed out a couple of very, very cool things that are definitely worth watching, just on a purely technical point of view. Let me see if I could. Let's go to a full chart here, because you really need to see this in its full glory. Yeah, see, we were playing around with that yesterday. Oh, this is gold. Let me actually, I wonder if this is showing up on gold right now. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. This is actually, so astrologer has this had this idea, right, which I thought was really good. I don't know why I called it the asteroid belt, but I just thought it was fun. So basically, astrologer's idea was, when you're looking at the dots, his idea was purple to red, to white to green, right? Obviously, we're in a sort of a shallow range, but that is basically your range. Anywhere you're on the chart, where you got to find the purple to red, and then the bottom has got to be white to green. That's sort of like the bottom and top of your range. And his whole idea was, if it breaks the range, if it breaks the bottom of the range, then he starts looking to sell the red dots. If it breaks the top of the range, he's looking to buy the green dots. Just a pure momentum move. What was really, really good about this is it's our version of ORB. Basically, instead of opening range break, it's the opening dot break. ODB, the asteroid belt. Yes, he's not in the room today, I guess. But it was a really, really smart idea. Great way to for true momentum traders to just bide their time and pull the trigger when the trigger is good. So if we're looking, we're not trading gold today because obviously we trade Nasdaq only in the morning. But let's just see how the Nasdaq lays against this structure, right? So we don't even have a green dot here. So effectively, it's not going. I guess I got to pull this up. Why can't I? Ugh, this is so annoying. Oh, there we go. Okay. All right, I'm just trying to center the chart for you guys, so it's really visible. So this is where he would kind of demarcate this whole thing. So this is the highs of the Nasdaq range, and we don't even have a green dot, but let's assume the white dot is the lows somewhere around here, right? So this is pretty much the lows of the range. Or we probably should, let's just, for intents purposes, we're just using the bottom of the range. So that's sort of like the asteroid belt of the story right now. And if you are a pure momentum trader, you're trading the break of this downturn, which is pretty ugly one. As a matter of fact, to be honest, if you really wanted to, you probably would be trading this. If you if you were to demarcate his stuff, get over here. Here's the purple, red against white, green. This is sort of the range. And you can see we've dropped down here. So he'd be shorting the reds. He'd be shorting the reds. He'd be shorting the reds. And he'd be getting some very, very good trades off of that. That's where you got the idea from ORB. That's great. We're going to call it the ODB, opening dot range. But it really creates a very, very clean version of this stuff. And and I think obviously the dots make it just much more intuitive for you to appreciate the range structure. So that's a good way of looking at it. Let me see. Hang on a second. Let me see if they made my accounts already. Let's log out. Let's log back in. They did make my accounts. Great. So 88.89. Let's go to 88. I'm gonna trade against my personality today, and we're going to trade momentum on this on these eval accounts, and we'll have a fun time with it. So give you an idea of what I'm trading. That's basic pullback. What do you guys? I don't know what you guys are talking about. Let me just sort of set you guys up in terms of what I'm trading. Oh, we're 10 minutes before the market opens, so generally we're not going to trade. So what I'm going to trade with you guys, I'm going to trade my evals with you guys. Maybe today and tomorrow. It's kind of a good thing. I've been trading my fund. It's been going really, really well. But let's just trade a little bit of evals. Unless I get juicy reversal trades, then I'm going to go into my real money accounts, because those are my bread and butter trades. On the momentum side, right? I'm stealing. This is again for eval purposes. I'm going to try and create as many high probability trades as possible. And if I lose, I rotate to the other account. If I win, I keep going. And in order to do that, I'm really, really going to trade for very, very small target with what I think is a relatively reasonable. I'm basically going to trade $50 trades against $200 stops. So that's going to be 5 points against 20 points in NASDAQ. So very, very negative risk reward, but we're looking to, to do 9 out of 10 type of trades when we hit them. Because when we get locked in, we get 4 or 5 momentum trades in a row, they start really, really hitting. They start really, really hitting. And that's where, you capture a lot of the flow. So I'm going to really create a very skewed risk reward. But this is on the eval side. On my funded side, I've actually been doing that. And it's been super good. 'Yes. Unless the pullback turns into a reversal, Andrew. It always sounds great in the retrospect, and then real life smacks you in the face. What's the best quote ever? Mike Tyson. Everybody's got a plan until somebody punches you in the face. Really, really true, right? "21 minutes, 9 minutes to the open. We're floating around. Let's get just a news update. I haven't looked at what's going on. I've just been busy working. We're not going to take any trades right now because it's all 10 minutes before the open. It's just a complete waste of time. Even on the evals, we're not going to take anything. So let's go to TweetDeck. Let's see if right. That's the big thing. From K, Trump says you would provide risk insurance, right? Oil prices stabilize, right? New York initial jobless claims surge. Oh, wow. Why did New York jobless claims surge? That's interesting. Nothing extraordinary. I thought there was much less. Yeah. That's what I thought. Actually, this is why I never listened to what do you call it? Media reports about Israel, and I get Israeli. I didn't think that there was any serious damage in Israel at all because they're like down to 20, 30 missile firings per day. I don't think they have much to spend. But anyways, we'll see. We'll see how it's playing out. Good morning, Sandy. Good morning, everybody. We're just getting ready for the morning. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna trade the asteroid belt for everybody, which is my fun name. So here we go. Basically, red dot to purple dot to green dot is the top of the range. White dot to green dot bottom of the range. Whichever way she blows is 63. I'm approximate, right? I'm not being. Astrologist says is 24,993 on the top and 63 on the bottom, about a 30-point range. I'm just being approximate. But you can see we're going to visually trade this. Have fun. I am on my eval accounts today, trading 5 micros. That's a $50 trade against a $200 stop. So yeah, big negative risk rewards, but we're looking for just direct and exact hits. We're going to trade momentum today just to show you guys how to trade momentum, even though, my own personal strength is trading reversals. I already made one reversal trade in the morning. We banked that, but now we're just waiting for the market to open up. There is a point of control buy, nice reversal trade at 79 that's closing up right now. Obviously, if you like to step in front of trains, this is a trade. Would I be a buyer here? Yes, but it's a massive retrace risk here. So it could just retrace, stop you out before you get a chance to hit target. So we don't trade the first minute or two of the market open because obviously, it's not even the first minute too. We got still 4 minutes left. Whatever. We don't trade the first pre 10 minutes of the market. Am I trade copying yet? No, I'm not. I'm definitely not trade copying. And I'm actually, I'm a super big skeptic of trade copy, although Kathy loves trade copying. She's trade copying, but she's sort of using, TradingView. She told me she's using Trade Syncer. She likes that quite a lot. I'm looking less about trade. I'm looking to use trade copying to enable my MT5 tool because I want to trade from my MT5 dashboard into TradeEvade, which is possible, with a couple of trade copying shops that I know. But I'm still, you got to set up the technology, and I'm still testing stuff out. Okay, Sandy, how many accounts are you trade copying at once? Two minutes left. If we took this trade, it was teetering on getting stopped out, and now it would have been stopped out. And that's the reason why you don't take trades in front of the market open, especially big, huge trades like that. You know what I do want to do here? I think I want to mark this is what I want to do. I want to try to mark my volatility candles, color the volatility candle. I want to color it, and I want to give my volatility a very, very, so 20 points is 80 ticks, about 120 points. If it's like that, I don't want to be in the play. All right, there we go. See, that would have colored me as a volatility candle. This is, if I'm trading 5-10, I don't want the volatility candle to be more than 30 points. Because at that point, the retrace risk just becomes enormous, not worth the shot. Yeah, it was a white dot, not a green dot. But we don't look at the green dot confirmation. We look at straight because we're actually going off of the red dot level. So we don't even care if this was a dot, because that's the real great trade on the reversal side is beating the high of the red dot, because that's where all the shorts are trapped. And if you take them out, then you have a really reasonable chance to run the upside, unless of course all the stops got eaten, as in this candle. So the reason why volatility candles are very toxic for us is because all our profits are eaten inside the candle, right? Everybody who's short here is covering, and there's like very little, after this, there's very little shorts left. They've all been decimated on a short-term basis. So we don't have a lot of juice. But if they cover to here, then we know there's going to be more extension to the other side. Wow. Can you use multi-bracket orders in TradeEvade? I believe so. I'll take a look at it just 1 second. We'll see. All right, 1 minute to go on the open. Remember, these are the bands we're trading. The ODB, opening dot range. Okay, we're breaking to the upside. 51 seconds left. big candle, obviously. I'm in the eval thing. Oh, look at that, just coming right back down. Can't even hold the range. All right, we'll play along. Now, what I'm going to do here is, even on the eval side, I'm just going to take tiny. I'm going to take a 2-lot trade. And maybe what we're going to do is, I really want to expand this to a 4160 range. Because when you have that kind of a thing, yes, we're going to take the momentum move. We will take it. But if you don't give yourself enough room to survive, you're just not gonna do it. Okay, buy. We're long this. Let me take you. Oh, it got done. Wow, that was super fast. Sorry, I didn't even have a chance to show you. Hang on. Oh, you know what? I need to log out. Let me log in, log out, so we can have the the eval accounts in here as well. So here's the eval account. No, that's which one? It was 288. There we go. And I'll show you how fast that was. You see, we came in here, boom, boom, got done. Actually, you know what? Let me give you an even better view. So you see that? We came in 41 to 51, super fast through the whole thing. Now the game plan is, okay, we're above the asteroid belt, and what we're looking for now is just green dots. We're still below trend, so we're not going to get these. We're not going to get these M buy labels. So we have to just simply. Well, actually, we will look. What we're going to look for. What we're looking for is the counter trend buy labels. So in this case, we need to break the 59. What basically, in order for us to get interested in a long trade on a momentum side, we need to break the 59 on a closing basis. What's going on over here? What happened to my charts? Oh, what happened to my charts? Oh, we're way above here. Okay, we are breaking the 59. There we go. Just not catching up on my thing. And we got 10 seconds left, so this is going to be another trade for us, assuming it holds. Yeah. Okay. So we're long there, and we're going to try and trade this more to the upside. See if this extends further to the upside. And we're done. And we're done. You know, we call this the astrologer trade. So another green dot. It just we just keep going. It's 5 seconds left. Still got it. Go. Let's see if there's more upside for us. Now astrologer is actually trading 5 points, 20 points. He's probably going to do a better job than I am, because I'm still trading at 1040 because of the volatility candles are just so huge. But in a momentum move, probably just 520 should be okay. And if it doesn't work, you just rotate it to another account. Let me see if this. Hopefully, we'll see if it runs a little bit more for us. $25.79 is the VWAP. Yes, it's coming right through it. We're almost there. Come on, baby. We're done. So three very, very quick trades in a row on a very small amount. We're up, up at 100 on this 25,000 account. Just a good example of how to trade momentum. which I absolutely hate. I will say this right now. Every fucking trade I'm in here, I hate this trade. But if you're good at trading momentum, this is just money for you. So I think we can also now, where am I going to go? I'm going to go 2080, get a little bit larger on size. And maybe I'm going to rotate to the 89 account. Just, rotate a little bit of price action here to the 89 account. See if we can get a little bit more movement. And obviously, still, as long as the green dot holds before we, all right. And we're in here on a 5, just a 5-point move. Let's see if we can get the 5 point. And we get that done too. And see how quickly it's just $50 in less than a minute. Nice quick scalps. New York session highs, everything going our way. So we had basically 4 or 5 consecutive momentum moves. And we're obviously up above the ODB range. And that was great. You guys can all give Astrologer a big clap, okay? Because he is Mr. Momentum. He's up 701. What are you doing? Hey, when you're saying you're up 701, are you trading one account at a time? Are you trading are you copy trading? Like where's the P&L coming from? And are you trading? I think you're trading one NQ. You're trading a full contract. You're trading basically 100. You're trading 100 profit against 400 stop. Is that the structure? Tell it to them in dollar terms so they can understand exactly where your risk parameters are. So this is, by the way, the VWAP right over here. And we're just barely starting to cross it. Bottom line is, markets took 25,000, rallied above it. I think the general investor feeling is we got it under control. Well, that's what I'm saying. I think he's trading one mini, right? I think he's trading one mini. I'm trading half a mini. I'm trading five ones. But I think he's also trading 50,000 accounts. All right, spill the tea, Astrologer. Tell them exactly what you're doing so they can orient themselves into the risk positions. Momentum buy. We're now momentum buys. You see, it was showing the little momentum buy here right now. 36 seconds. You see how that is? I love the little emojis. So the momentum buy means go. We're gonna take this trade if it holds. God help me, it's like 7th or 8th momentum trade I'm taking. Let's see if it holds. If it doesn't hold, it disappears. Right, you're trading one mini 50Ks, right? And you're trading, so it's basically 100, 400, right? And one at a time, right? You're just trading one at a time. You're not even copying. That means he's been able to drill like 10, 15 trades in a matter of an hour and picked up $700. Am I accurate? Just say yes, no if I'm accurate in describing your general posture. All right. Ooh, where's my CT cell 79? Where's my? Why don't I have my reversal buy? That's interesting. I'm looking for my reversal buy signal and I can't seem to find it. Maybe because it can't orient itself against the trade. All right, we'll see. Oh, CT cell M buy. Huh. Where's my reversal buy? It's my point of control buy. Or point of control sell. Yeah, so I actually described his whole structure here and how it trades. All right, we're going to get rid of the lines. Market tightening up. That's great. He's up $2,600. What do you mean by 300 from funding? Like, is the 2697, is that's a funded account or an eval account that you're trading? Why is this? I'm really annoyed. I'm trying to understand where my point of control numbers are. Okay, I have to reset it. Okay, I just have to reset it. Because I think huh. Where's this thing? What's going on over here? Sorry, I'm just trying to see what's going on with the indicator. Why it's giving me. I think it's because it's getting confused because it's so tight next to VWAP. It's trying to figure out which way it wants to trade. So I'm just gonna leave these things here. We're just gonna let the indicator play itself out. I gotta figure out. I'm gonna have to debug this and figure out what it wants to do. Yes, market is consolidating, very, very clearly, right? So if you're going to trace out your basic range ideas, here's the white dot, last white dot, green dot, and the last purple dot, red dot, right? So if we're going to look for breakout moves, we want to trade above that white line right now. This is a very, very clever, very, very easy and efficient way of understanding range. That there we go. It's POC buy, because now it finally shows up on the negative side. So 97 creates a POC buy, and 48, if we fall through 48, we have a momentum sell. So 24 seconds left. If we get a close below 48, we're going to sell this, because this is a little bit below the VWAP, and that means it's a negative trend trade. All right, sell. There's a momentum to the downside, small scalp. And we're done. Another nice pop. And then we come back up. $16 seconds left. For those that want to trade the reversal, it's a shallow reversal. I'm not really loving this reversal yet, but we're above 61. Point of control buy above 61, 62. If you want to trade the reversal, you could. But I'm going to trade only the momentums for you guys today on the eval side. Just missed it, by the way. Anyway, so it wasn't a trade. It closed at 60.75. Just missed the point of control reversal. So we're still, honestly, the really good point is that, like, we're really just sort of in a very, very sloppy little range, and the best thing to do is not to do anything until we try to break above this 120, or not the 120, but break above this basically 108, 109. All right, we'll convert to, we'll trade to 288. All right, holding through the upside range. If this closes basically above those white dotted lines, that's a buy. This was a buy over here. Like, this was a very delayed buy. The only thing that, would I bought this yellow candle, this POC buy 61 right over here? Maybe, but that was that's the danger. But it would have hit the target. So, you would have been okay. 19. I'm trying to basically not take trades after yellow candles because there's a lot of volatility, but it's such a small volatility band that almost all of them are going to be yellow right now. So you have to take the risk. All right, 3, 2, 1. Again, we're trading volatility moves here, and we're done. In and out, in and out, in and out. Boom. Another 50 for us on the upside. The bullseye emoji means it's good. It means it's a go. X obviously means no go. That means there's no trade. Bullseye means there's a trade, right? Just took astrology. You took that trade to the upside. So that I worked with you. It worked with me. Yeah, we both banked it. All right, the problem with me setting the volatility so small is now everything is volatile, which is really not useful. So I'm going to expand my range on my candle to, like, probably, let's do just even 160 would be okay. It's a 40 candle. I only want to see 40 candles or more. All right, so these a lot of them, still a lot of them are still in there. Still a lot. It was a pretty big volatility moves here, guys. A lot of 40-point candles. Okay, still we just you see we're just putzing around. One of the things that you really want to keep an eye on when the 8 period and the VWAP, this is the 8 period, the VWAP is flat. When they're like right next to each other, that is a death knell. That means that there's nothing going on. That means we're in perfect balance, and the balance is what we never want to be. We want to be unbalanced. We want, the whole idea of momentum is things moving one way or the other. When things are placid like this is not what we want to be doing. But we are still continuing to push up through that range, right? And probably worth. I'm just a little bit late. Let's see if I can take more. And boom, boom. We took another 5 points off that range because we closed up above the range, so that's legit. Now the next big trades. Let me just clear all these execution marks because now it's going to be just annoying to watch it. Now it's basically, if you're trading momentum stuff, you're trading the green dots. Is there a green dot? Keep going. Is there a green dot? Keep going. We're now broke above the asteroid belt, and maybe we're going to go to the stratosphere, or at least a little bit higher. 17 seconds left. If there's a green dot on this candle, that's remains, we trade more of it. Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, boom. Now I'm just showing you how to trade momentum. This is the whole essence of momentum is that you're going to get retraced, and eventually you're going to hit a top. So momentum hits the top, boom. It's one of the reasons why I don't love to trade momentum, because you just never know what the tops are, the bottoms are. But that's as much a personality flaw of mine as anybody else, because you're talking about like 3 or 4, 5, 6, 7 continuously winning trades, right? You have plenty of opportunities here to hit targets, but just still want to show you how all of that plays out. In the meantime, the reversal trade for me would be this. If it breaks through the 11s, I'm happy to short this. It's basically setting up the range breakout trades, right? So it goes from the lowest white, a green dot, to the highest, what do you call it? Purple, red dot, right? Combination. Let's rotate accounts. So we're floating session highs. What time is it? It's 9:54, almost 10 o'clock. Floating session highs. Feels like we want to go higher. 25,200 was a high yesterday, so maybe they run it again. Green dot again in momentum. 18, 19 seconds left. This green dot stays in place, we'll go long. And we're done. Nice. That was a nice clean momentum trade. Bank that baby, nice and clean. I took off the marks just because it's really, it's really cluttering the space. You guys can see where we're hitting. Let's go back to the 88 account. I'm just trading the two on the bottom here, the eval accounts today, just to show you the momentum trades. But I will also trade my reversal trades if I get it. So for me, the reversal trade here is 18. The point of control sell, right? If they can break the lows of this candle, then the shorts got the longs by the balls, and they're going to try and push it down. Warp speed, yeah, it's really, really fast. It's really fast. You can see how quickly, if you're trading for $100 trades with NQ is even faster than MNQ. You will get done super fast. You can see how Astrologer just clips money all day long. How many Astrologer are you using my my trade analyzer to upload your TradeOvate accounts, so that you can you could see you could see how many trades you did and all the basic analytics. Oh, but you can do well charts. I mean, the analyzer also works for well charts. Right? You're trading well charts, right? Sorry, I didn't realize you were trading well charts. So you're trading well charts, but the analyzer works for well charts too. All right, another green dot, guys. Just kind of focusing. 45 seconds. If the green dot stays, we'll go more momentum, more cowbell. Yeah. So what I'm saying, I guess my question is, if you upload those into well charts, what did it tell you, like the total amount of trades you did yesterday? 8 seconds left. We are pushing fresh highs to 65, 3, 2, 1. Long. And we're done. And we're done. More money. More money. More money. So I think let me just show you the history of this thing, right? See, boom, 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 right? It's just us clipping momentum up on this account. And then here's the other account. Oh, no, sorry. Shit, I'm in the wrong thing. God damn it. Okay, here's the other account. And you can see us clipping momentum on that one too. Just up, just not as much. So this just shows you how everything, how you could. I don't know how many times you could press this to the upside. I guess we could press it now. Let's see. Let's see if this one clips or if it finally clips us back. We'll see. We've had like 7 or 8, consecutive scalps to the upside as it just keeps pushing higher, pushing higher, pushing higher. This one may retrace. We'll see. And there it goes. And it just and like 7th or 8th or 9th scalp in a row. And obviously in this is probably the best time to do this momentum strategy. The 9 to 10:30 hour, when you have unidirectional moves, right, where everybody is lined up to go, right? That's really the optimal window frame, because with the momentum strategy works on the idea of like just continuity, right? The shorts are just getting killed every. They took out the 2000 now. They took out the 2000, 18 seconds left on a 2000. Let's see. We're going to go to the 88 account. I'm going to go to the 88 account. See if they want to press this even higher. All right. I did not think they were going to do that. I'm just literally pressing the button because it's supposed to, not because I want to. And it's going to retrace me out. Yeah, and I thought it was going to retrace me out. It was just at the 200, you knew this was going to be a reversal trade. You knew it was going to be a reversal trade. Now, on the other hand, I also have, now comes up my favorite trade, which is the reversal trade, point of control sell at 84. If this thing breaks through the 84s, I am a seller. So this is my bread and butter trade here. Let's see if I can do it. I'm actually going to have a little bit of fun here. I love to hunt the reversal trades, but momentum trades just kept going, 6, 7 in a row until you finally hit the ceiling. All right, sure. And boom, boom, boom. Made it all back on my reversal trade. You couldn't even see it. Let me show you how fast that was. But that's what I love to do. I took a little bit of larger size. I had a lot of confidence in this thing. And so we took 82 to 77 super fast and got it all back on this move. So I love the reversal trade, but obviously the frequency and the money is in the momentum trade. I'm not allowed to do reversal trade. I just did one, Nico. I did one. Come on. It was just too good to set up. Too good to pass up. So astrologer says that's the best time for the ORB to work, which is the 9 to 10:30 time frame when you have the biggest moves. And obviously you also have to know when to stop. Like, I'm just not stopping. I'm just pushing it. You got to know when to stop. I think reasonably, if you catch a good ORB break, you probably have like 3 or 4 great consecutive scalps, and then after that you want to take a breather, because the higher you push, the greater you're going to hit the stop. Or you could just barrel through the whole thing. All right, I got another. I'm not allowed to do any more reversal trades. Okay, Nico tells me I'm not allowed to do reversal trades today. So, but this is, I definitely would do this reversal trade. 14 seconds left. This is the POC sell at 84. Reversal off this thing. Let's see if it holds, but I'm going to sell it. 3, 2, 1, sell. Yeah. Astrologer says he's a degenerate junkie. This wasn't a great entry on my part because I was, sort of yapping, because I was off by about 1.5 points. So we'll see if I can survive this move here. There we go. And we get my reversal. Okay, so I gave a lot of momentum today. I mean, you got to give me credit for just the fact that I hit more than one momentum trade to the upside. I think I hit like 8, 9 momentum trades, which is the most I think I've ever done in my whole life. And that was really a lot of fun for everybody to see just how efficient and effective that strategy is. And then, of course, you got the reversal trades. So bottom line is very, very clean, clear, obvious signals now on the charts. We know exactly the setups. We know exactly how things work. If you want to, look at sort of let me get rid of all my executions, because that's just going to really pollute the charts. So again, where is my range here? The range is from here to here. Just to kind of, if you want to reset the range, where are we now? Which range are we in? Now we're kind of in this range, right? The white to green against the purple to red. So it's like a 200 against, that's basically about 150 point range. We're nicely, cleanly above the VWAP. So everything, looks good. Everything is very tradable. I'm going to be with you. Guys, I have a meet, so I'm going to have to run early. We did a lot of trades, and actually the evals are very nicely. Look, the evals are up nicely. Could have done a little bit more, but I took every trade. If I had passed up a couple of trades, the evals would be even more. But overall, I think they're good. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Astrology gets funded while we're trading. Very nice. I don't think we have any news this week, right? Let's just take a look while we have it. We're obviously going to trade tomorrow, but let's just see what's on the calendar. Forex Factory. Huh. Oh, wait, we have NFPs tomorrow? Oh my God, I totally forgot. Holy shit. We have NFPs tomorrow? Oh, we got to trade that. Oh my God. I'm lost as to where we're at. Oh yeah, we definitely got to trade that. So for sure. I sound like a Cali girl. Oh, so we're definitely going to trade the NFPs tomorrow. I don't know if Kay wants to join me or not, but we're going to open up. We're going to open up at 8 o'clock and trade NFPs. We're going to trade 8 to 10. Let's have fun. Oh, I totally forgot we have NFPs tomorrow. That's great. All right, so we'll trade some news. That means we'll also get a chance to trade gold because we can trade gold off of our Tradeify account tomorrow. So overall, should be good. But actually load up. This is if there's ever a time to load up on the Apex accounts, go get them right now. Let me give you the link. Let me give you the link to make sure that everybody loads up, because we're going to have lots and lots of Apex accounts. Totally rad. Totally rad. Yes, it's rad, baby. Yeah, JD, we have a good time here. Come join us. Have a fun time. So we're going to be 8 to 10. I'll put up the thumb tomorrow. I'll actually put it up a little bit earlier today, so everybody has the link. And don't forget, if you guys want coaching, this is the coaching link tonight, 7 o'clock. Really looking forward to it. We're going to deconstruct a lot of interesting things, and talk a little bit about the whole rotation mechanism that I use and that astrology uses to how to really optimize the potential payout flow for everybody in prop. All right, so much fun. Everybody have a great day. I see everybody tomorrow for non-farm payrolls. Yay. Everybody have a great day. Bye-bye, guys.